Yes, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend tell a friend away again. Tonight I just come to ask a question. Foota hype. How do you feel for see Bounty Killer and Vibes Kartel and DJ Khaled in the same studio? Right? I will have vibes and I will have meds while you the on the sideline. I judge the man and I tell the man say the man broke and the man in a body and the man a pick up your trash. I'll style up your baby mother dog. You know what I say? Just forget your point across. Now, what you think your youth them are going to feel about that when them see them thing there? Brother, you need to mind your business because you're not half as rich as Vice Cartel. If Vice Cartel want me, sure no so the man can afford first class flight. The man just make over $12 million Jamaica for one show. You see me? And Joe pay him at least 4. So when it all split and waiting him there, the man have about 6, 7, 8 million sit down pan from that show there. Plus all of the show them we do all over the other place. So how you figure say this man is broke? Eh? You just a look at tension, brother. And you see? One fly first class, one fly private, and then still end up in the same place, in the same studio. I will have vibes while you sit down and I watch him on them pocket and I glorify Bounty Killer flying in a private jet. Bounty Killer supposed to fly in a private jet. That him a general for dancehall of Jamaica. That him set the thing for everybody. You see me? That him and Buju and Beanie Man set the thing for everybody. It's just because me is not a Beanie Man fan because Beanie Man ways and him attitude. You see me? So me is not a Beanie Man fan. So Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, you see me, Buju Banton, Spragga Benz, them man if you fly first class long time, you see me, and in a bloodly private jet. The man that Jamaican celebrity, superstar, Shabba Ranks, all of them man there, you see me, Buccaneer, you see me, all merciless we pass way. The man that should have been a fly private jet, but it's just because Jamaican music and the way, you know, it's set up. Certain things, the Jamaican artists them do not get certain, what do I call it now, amenities like other artists. You see me? Because of where the Jamaican culture stand for and everything. So them try to hold on the Jamaican music big time. And you know that Foota as an entertainer. As a Jamaican selector, you know that. You see me? Because look on Grammy. We not get no televised on Grammy. And reggae music are one of the biggest music in the whole entire world, if not the biggest music. You see me? But you sit down and you watch. Like I said, Vibes Cartel, Pocket. And it bunny because the man a par with the baby mother and you now have nothing to do with her. I know the man is supposed to argue that scatter. You see me? But me get to understand say, if you don't call Vibes name, you're not gonna be relevant. You see me? Really and truly Foota hype, you need to go look at work and stop watching man pocket and sit down and watch him and a style your baby mother. You see me? Because what you do, nobody in the blood clot respond to what you do. Only we the vlogger them, I go respond to it. You see me? And put it in your place because bright you're bright. Or if you style the man and man a big time millionaire. You can't even afford the thing that the man can afford. Can you buy one of the watch them for the man on? Can you afford it? Come see you come to New York in a yellow Lamborghini. Come to check a stock on that TV. Your Lamborghini, you show off like it was yours. Put the hype, you're too hype. You need to worry about the situation where you have a go on in Florida. When me say, you tell the government say you can't go home because a man is going to kill you. And that you have to worry about if you get papers. You see me? Talk about that. Me say you're there with the fish them. And that we need to talk about. You see me? And stop watching man pocket. Pocket watcher. You see me? Jancrow Foota hype. Go look at work. and tap watch your man pocket. My father now buy you nothing. No for when you call my father name. My father not even look for you. One go look at work, man. And stop the clock come by the internet every day and chat about people. You see me? God's always saying, for life. I don't know, up. My teacher. Go and make a millions and kill them. You see it? Don't know the thing going on. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend and we again. Boom, 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 boom.